Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's 8 a.m. and about 40 degrees and it is sprinkling. It's awful wet out here. Hoping for drier weather so we can start building the fences. It's not going to happen for a while. It's an awful wet day. Gotta stay out of the places where there's no gravel or grass. Track and mud back up on that gravel. Here Petunia's covered all her babies in hay. One left over to eat with Harold. See, this one here has also been covered in hay. And he just got tired of his mom flopping it, so he came over here to eat with Harold. Harold's a little easier on him. These chickens are telling me they're hungry. The chickens always tell me they're hungry. Girls, start laying some eggs. Well, they're happy now. They got their scratch and they got their layer crumble. They did lay some eggs, but they're out in the mud, so I'm not walking down there. Well, the outside pigs are happy. They got their alfalfa and they got their grain. The Doodle's happy. Be outside. She don't like sitting around inside the house. Silly dogs. Well, these goats, they're always hungry. They want their bottles. They got plenty of alfalfa over there, but they really want their bottles. Look at that, it's king of the stump. Well, it's about 5:30 and it's 45 degrees or so. And I can see a little bit of light through those clouds over there. It's been dark here all day long. Do appreciate you watching. Have a nice evening.